Shake the Baobab, face the consequences. Generals threaten Mnangagwa's regime over power grab, hinting at potential military intervention. Sarabena mashoko kubuda pangwa ine onekwa kuti president masodamzo Mnangagwa vari pama1 pangwa inoita kuti magenerals asimga zvine simba ndipo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa munhau maZimbabwe News vambudanyora chiti for decades the military yes functioned as the invisible backbone of the ruling party ZANU-PF. The mantra once a soldier, always a soldier was never just a slogan, it was a governing principle. However, this latest correspondence suggests that the veterans are now using that very principle to draw a line in the sand. Investigative details reveal a growing disillusionment within the old guard who perceive a systemic trivialization of the liberation struggle and a blatant disrespect for the hierarchy that installed the current administration during the 2017 transition. The reaction from the new dispensation's supporters was swift and vitriolic. Themba Mliswa, acting as a self-appointed defender of the president, launched a series of scathing attacks on social media. He accused the retired commanders of disrespecting the president and even suggested their opposition bordered on treason. Muliswa's public outbursts against Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, the man widely seen as the military standing barrier in the presidium, acted as the final catalyst for the general's rare public intervention. In a strongly worded response that has left the political establishment reeling, Air Marshal Muchena did not mince his words. Addressing Muliswa's allegations of treason, he stated, "You have threatened us with the charges of treason, of making a formal written submission in terms of the constitution following a very public call by the clerk of parliament. We do not take that lightly, and we advise you not to repeat it ever. We take the greatest exception to your tone and to your threats. We will not take that lying down. When you shake the Baobab, be certain you can withstand what falls from it." This metaphor, the shaking of Baobab, is a coded warning to the new dispensation. It suggests that while the generals may be retired from active service, their roots remain deep within the Zimbabwe state. They are reminding the current leadership that the retirement does not equate to irrelevance. Muchena's response further dismissed Muliswa's claims as constitutionally illiterate and described the attempt to ink the general's stance to bitterness born of unemployment as beneath condemned. Doma developments ari pombo reZimbabwe asinomira zvakanaka ameno zvii zvarongwa nemajenerali. Ina kumesection medu zvafungira iri muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Songa subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.